Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this is my mail. This is legit $15 incentive. If you come back here, you see another one saying $10. This is another one saying $10 incentive. Look at it as you can see. If you come back here, they pay you in dollars. They pay you in dollars. This is another one, $15. You all get paid. You earn by just answering surveys. You earn by just answering surveys or doing 15 minutes, 1 hour job. That's how you earn. You do 15 minutes or an hour job and you get paid. In this video today, we'll be talking about how to get paid, how to do little tasks and get paid, like survey. You guys know, as usual, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm definitely gonna tell you a trick to getting more and more emails from this website. So let me go straight to my Gmail and show you what they keep sending me, their mails. As you can see, this is my mail, this is my inbox, and so far so good. They've always sent me messages. This is Panel Station. Then the website we're talking about is Panel Station. I've been receiving messages from this website since only God knows when. Okay, let's see, 2018. As you can see, this is the date. Since 2018, I've been receiving messages from Panel Station. Oh, 2017, in fact. I can't even remember since when I started using this website. They've been around for quite a very long time, and I've really been using them. I've really been enjoying them. As you can see, from 2017 till date, I've been using them, and their their messages, their works, what you just do are simple things. What they need you to do is to share your opinion. Just survey, share your opinion, survey. This particular one is on Zoom app. If you don't have Zoom, please go and download Zoom. So this particular one is on Zoom app and you gain $10, which is 5,000 points. These points or money can be withdrawn to your PayPal account. So let me show you another one. This is another one. It's also on Zoom. You earn $15. This one is just on personal care product. This is a survey. You just share your opinion and take. It's on personal care product. So it doesn't matter whether or not you use the personal type of product. What you just do is to drop your own review. Okay, I've seen this product and this is what I think about it, and that's all. Let's check for another one. Another one. This one is 7,500 points. Now, these points are equivalent to money. So 7,500 points. This is more than $10, I think. Yeah, because $10 is around 5,000 points. This one is also personal care product. Let's check another one. This one is $15. Home care and hygiene, 60 to 70 minutes. Very simple. You earn your dollars over and over again. Home care and hygiene. Very simple. So with all that being said, let's go straight to our Chrome app. I love using my phone so that as I love sharing information on things you can do with your phone. So let's head straight to Chrome browser. Okay, this is my Chrome browser. Just type panel. Sorry guys. Panel station.com. panelstation.com. For the purpose of this video, we just register. So this is panelstation.com. The first link is the right one. So it's a survey site. Let's just open it and read what it's about. Okay, it's loading. This is it. This is just what, literally just what Panel Station is about. Welcome to our community. Your voice, our panel, better brand. Making your opinion count has never been easier. has never been easier. We are here to help build a better brand experience with your opinions for you. The panel station is a diverse community with 5.11 million customers. Can you imagine? And over 35 growing economies around the globe. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. With that being said, let's head straight down how it works. Fill survey, share your opinion, and get paid. Yeah, fill surveys, share your opinion, and get paid. Register, take surveys, get rewarded, share with friends. It's just as simple as that. You get your surveys in your inbox. So it's quite simple. So let's click on the get started button so we can sign up. It has an app as well, but first let's click on the get started button. We have done that. So when you click on the get started button, this is where it comes back up. So all you just need to do is fill your email, fill your first name, fill your last name, date of birth to enable them send more emails to you. So even if you're someone that is very young, probably born in the 2000s, I would suggest you choose 1990 something. You understand? That's what my suggestion is for you to get more and more emails. Then you choose female, male or female. Now you need a referral code. I'll be dropping my link in the description box for you to use. This is where you need it and this is where you will use it. Which city do you currently reside in? The thing is, I will ask you one trick I'll tell you guys to do is most of you just choose Lagos or Abuja. It doesn't matter where you are based, but just choose Lagos. Basically Lagos. This is one trick to get more and more mails from them. What is your current employment status? Choose employed. I'm giving you another trick that nobody will tell you. Yes, they want you to be sincere with them and you are being sincere. It is only when you are employed that you can buy body care products or health care products, and that is their own view. So I'm just sharing their view with you. That is their own view. It is only when you are employed that you have money to buy all those things. So for you to be able to drop review, you have to have used all those things or you have to have bought all those things. So it is as simple as that. Terms and condition accept. Receive surveys on WhatsApp. Now, this is optional. This is optional. But I said I will tell you guys a trick to getting more and more emails. And this is one trick. This is the trick. Click on the receive surveys on WhatsApp and put your number. You get to receive their surveys on WhatsApp. Most of us, we might not even log in our Gmail for a week. But you see, WhatsApp is where we go almost every day. So if you click on it, you will get your mails in your WhatsApp. It will enable you to do your surveys fast and get paid. You understand? To enable you to do your surveys fast and get paid, then you click on join us now. Once you click on join us now, they will send you an email for verification. They'll send you an email for verification. Go to your Gmail, click the link in the email box and get verified. So once you get verified, it will log in. This is how it will look like. The first section, this is how it looks like. So this is the equivalent, the amount equivalent. This is the amount equivalent. As you can see, if you have 6,500 points, that is 5,000 naira. So if you have 5,000 points, that's like 4,000 naira. If you have 2,500 points, that's like 2,000 naira. So it depends on the amount of surveys you receive in a day. You understand? If you have 13,000 points, that's like 10,000 naira. So this is another quick poll waiting for me. The next place is where you fill out some information, I guess. Okay, this place you fill out some information to enable them send you surveys. You understand? This place, once you are done, you receive your 250 points. You fill out demographic survey here, you fill out technology survey here, you fill out professional survey here, you fill out economic survey here. This is just to tell them the type of messages or mails they will send to you. Understand? This is to tell them the type of mails they will send to you. And on this note, I will advise you fill everything out as you have access to them. So if they ask you, do you have access to so this thing, try and click here so that you get enough mails from them every time. You understand? That 5,000 naira, you can earn it with one survey. As you can see, the $10 survey is equivalent to 5,000 points. So you can probably earn the 5,000 naira in one survey. So that's why you must watch how you fill this thing out. You must fill it out the right way. Okay, they have view profile. Also ensure you complete your profile. This is also where you redeem your rewards. This is where you convert your rewards to naira. They will send this to you in your naira currency. Whatever you earn in dollars will be sent to you in naira currency. The next one here is just rewards and rewards. Then you have your notification, then you have account setting. Please update any account setting you have on this website, and you can as well download the app. Update any account settings you have on this website, because once you're able to update it, you are telling them that yes, you have given them everything. So let them just keep sending you mails and surveys. And that's virtually almost all about this website that you need to know. So the next one I'm going to show you guys that will double your income is their referral process. Yes, you refer a friend to them. So let me just click the refer a friend here. Okay, you get 250 points, and the friend also gets 250 points. So when you refer each other, when you refer a friend, that friend you're referring gets a whooping 250 points. So it basically means that if you're using this my referral link to register, you're getting 250 points without any rush. You are getting 250 points if you are using this my referral link. So all you have to do is copy this referral link and can be pasted over any social media platform. You understand? It can be pasted over any social media platform. So you get 250 points, which can be withdrawn. So this is another way to make money on this website. And you can as well share your link to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. You can share it on any of these platforms. So that's basically all about making money using this platform. You can decide to download their app. These are the conversion rates, so you will know the conversion rates. These are the conversion rates, the value of each point, so you will know. This survey, this particular one, is 300 points. Aside the ones they will send you in your mail or in your inbox. Yes, if you keep logging into their account or their website every day, you'll be receiving simple surveys like this here and there. Now these surveys has expiry dates, so be sure to check their expiry date, or be sure to answer the surveys very fast before their expiry date. So that's all about making money using panel station. Thank you guys. Please do what to subscribe if you get valuable content from this video.